Picked up this arcade cabinet. Cabinet's got a few rough spots on it. I did find I can buy some reproduction side arts to put on it, so I may do that. You know, pull the old ones off, smooth out the wood with some Bondo or something, repaint everything black, and then put some new stickers on it, on decals. I saw this here. All those little marks, I couldn't figure out what they were for, and then I realized that maybe this, back in the day when it was in an arcade, you were allowed to smoke in buildings, so I'm thinking some people used to put their cigarette butts down on the side there while they played, and cigarettes would burn into the T-molding there. You see some of the decal on this side has been cut off and painted black. So anyways, I got this off of a guy. Said he didn't want to mess with it. He couldn't get it to work. So got it here and cleaned up a lot of the contacts and edge connectors on the board. I need to replace some of the caps, I believe. I got one there that's leaking a little bit. Have to turn the voltage up a little bit. Close to 5.5 volts or something like that to get it to work. The higher you turn the voltage up, the better it sounds, but everything's supposed to run at 5 volts, so I don't want to burn anything up. So anyways, got it working. Well, at least the screen's on, the sound works. The gun isn't registering any hits on the screen. So I took the front bezel out here and cleaned the mirror right there and the screen down there. I read a lot of dust and dirt would keep it from reading. So I don't think that's it. I checked all the voltages on this board right here. This little eye. Reads through the barrel in there. On out the barrel. It's what reads the screen. There's a magnifying lens in the barrel as well. It reads the screen somehow. I'm not quite sure how that really works, but I found some schematics and was checking it all out. I got the appropriate voltages, 13 volts and a negative 12 volts. And I traced the sensor wire and all that to the board. I don't have any broken lines, so I'm assuming that it's this board here. So got some rust and stuff on the gun. All cosmetic stuff. The cabinet's actually pretty solid. It's 32 years old, so I mean, Got T-molding coming off. That ain't a big deal to me because it's like 50 cents a foot. So I would like to maybe, buy some new T-moldings and maybe some new decals for it. It was $100, the cabinet was.
Operation Wolf.
So, need to get some locks for the coin doors. You know, I can paint all this stuff back up. Put new T-molding and decals on it. It'll look pretty sharp again. I'll put a coin in it. Fire it up here. The board ain't in. It isn't going to read anyways, so yeah, there we go. Shorted her out, huh? So, I guess don't play with that stuff when it's on. I'm just going to go ahead and disconnect this board real quick. Yeah, disconnect that board. It don't work anyways. Hear how the sound fades in and out? If I turn the voltage up a little bit more, I don't have that problem. But like I said, I don't want to...
Operation Wolf.
You know, fry the board from putting too much voltage into it. I think there may be some bad capacitors. Like I said, a few of them look like the tops. Their tops ain't ballooned out, but there is like a sugary, sticky, crystallized residue at the tops of the caps. You know, and those are cheap enough and easy enough to replace. I can replace all the caps in here for $10. Well, I'll recoin it. The screen was all out of whack when I got it. I think I got it looking pretty good. So, I'm gonna turn this flash off if I can. And I can't, but...
Operation initiated.
There's the gun shaker in there. That motor turns everything and throws this weight back and forth. Gives it the... button works. But I think that sensor needs replaced.
You have sustained a lethal injury. Sorry, but you are finished. Here.
So, probably gonna get it working, play it a little while, make sure everything's working good on it, check out all the caps on everything. The screen does have some burning on it when it's off. You can see it there. But you know, it is 32 years old. 33 somewhere there. But yeah, you see the burning. It's not bad when it's on. I got the colors adjusted pretty decent. This camera really don't do the screen much justice, but it does look pretty good. You know, this thing's really filthy. I'd like to clean it all out, paint everything black again. You know, you got some, this is the worst spot of the sides, but I can get decals, you know, Bondo over this, sand it smooth, put it together, maybe even get some wood stripping to place on the back of here and down at the bottoms. Looks like maybe some old repairs. You know, we could just square it off. But I mean, yeah, it's a big heavy mirror right here. But I guess I'll make some more videos as I do some progress on it. And I think I'm gonna clean it up real nice, paint it, put some new decals on it. If I get it working and it works well and I play it for a while and it doesn't screw up again. All right.